Welcome to JH. In this guide, I'll demonstrate how to locate duplicate text within Google Docs. The process is quite easy, so just follow along with these steps. Begin by opening your file and pressing Ctrl+F on Windows or Command+F if you're using a Mac to open the search bar. Now, type the specific word you're looking for into the box. For this example, I'll use the word lorem. The tool will immediately highlight every instance of that word throughout your document, making them very easy to spot. For more control, select the More Options icon. From here, you have the ability to swap these words out or remove them entirely. Simply enter the word you want to find, leave the Replace with field empty, and hit Replace All. This effectively clears out those duplicates instantly. It's a very straightforward method for managing your text. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this useful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next tutorial.